car in the on-rod category at 9:37. That takes care of that round of eliminations in on-rod. Gonna move us into the truck and lightning category. I know I always do a bunch of hype about this, but I'm pretty impressed with this truck. You managed to make it your daily driver and go 13 seconds in the quarter mile. You could get to your camping spot fast with this thing. Doug Roof having some trouble with his truck earlier the last round. Looks like he's got it sorted out. Making the haul all the way from Montana.